Oh, next up is Archisketch.
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 Yeah, Archisketch.
Archisketch.
Archisketch. Sorry,
Sketch.
Yeah,
Sketch. Okay, Archisketch. All
Uh-huh.
right. Tell us a little bit about Archisketch.
Right. So we have both hardware device and software platform, which is for the 3D interior design solution. So when you basically how you deal with this device is when you scan your room.
All right.
Like corner of your rooms.
Is this like a LiDAR scanner type
Yeah,
thing?
it's a laser. Yeah, it's a laser in it.
Okay.
There's a camera in it.
All right.
And it automatically created the 2D like this here.
All right.
And then it converts to the 3D like this.
Okay.
And then you can place the furniture in it. It's an all purchasable product.
Got it.
And when you're done with the whole design, you can also...
You were saying you place furniture in it, as in if you go to the store and you say, I like that couch, I want to place this in there, there's already a scanned couch in there that you can put in there?
Yeah,
okay.
So you don't have to go to, all like online store. You can do everything in Archisketch. Like select the furniture and buy the furniture, everything. And then let's keep going. So when you're done with the old design, you can also do the render.
All right.
So you don't have to install any program. You can do like from creating the 2D and 3D as the render shots.
All right. So you get a final render of things, so you can see how the walls are going to look, how you can really then picture its final look. So okay, you got that up there. So let's go ahead and take a look.
This is the This is the 4K images, and you'll see the product list that you can buy right away.
Yeah, on the right, we're seeing the products. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
so.
right.
All right.
And when you're in the bottom, there's also the 4K panorama view, which shows you.
Well, there's panorama. Okay.
Yeah, like here, you can walk around.
Wow.
And there.
Just see. Is this for the average homeowner, or are you going for the realtor, or what's your goal here?
Right. So this program is for the interior designer as well as like real estate, property managers, also architect, or even younger user can use it. When they redesign and remodel their room.
Okay.
And you'll see all the product info that you use in render, and you can buy right away.
All right.
Yeah.
So is this out now? Or are you still in production? What's the?
Yeah, you can. It's out now, and you can still buy the product, the device, or you can subscribe the software to use. Yeah.
And CES 2022. What's your goal?
Our goal is to just advertise our product and to try to sell this device.
Right.
We're out of stock. So.
Oh, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
How much is this device?
So right now it's $200 for this CS spare.
That's not too bad.
Special discount. Yeah. So just.
How much is it normally though?
$250.
$250? Okay.
Yes.
Well, it's still not too bad to be able to scan your whole home without having to use a phone and put it in there. Of course, you get the software with that, right?
Yes.
Is there any extra subscriptions or anything like that?
We have an extra subscription for using this software platform.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So a little extra for that. All right.
Yes.
Well, this is Archisketch. Archisketch. There we go. Yeah. It says Archi Draw here. That's what I was going to say. Thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
You want to save it now?